Hey dudes, I'm back again. So I got a nice little trinket here from Sony that I wanted to unbox, and been looking forward to this one, being a big fan of the Xperia Z3 Compact, which is a very premium, powerful device. And with this one, you're going to get the same type of nice specs. I'm not exactly sure what the specs are, but on the back it does say 2.5 GHz quad core, so I'm assuming it's Snapdragon 801 with the 8 megapixel camera and full HD screen with the Triluminos tech. So it should be good, and let's get it open. Yeah, maybe it'd be good if I open both sides. I'm always worried about it just dropping out when I open them. Oh, there we go. And we have the nice black slab, which is very light actually, and we'll just put that to the side for a sec and see what's in the box. So similar to the Z3 Compact, you get your invitation to the Xperia lounge, as well as some manuals and stuff. You also get this MHL cable, very nice, for your expandable storage, and this charging cable, and a Sony charger as well, which is quite standard affair. Let's move all that to the side and see the nice trinket in all of its glory. Let's take off this wrapper. Oh yes, I do like this. I do like the feel of this. Wow. Nice. It's not glossy, so that will help against fingerprints, and that's a really good design decision. Let's peel this off. Oh, it's sticking to me. Wow, that's a very nice bezel ratio there, and it's amazingly thin. Look at that. Really nice engineering. Sony's Omni-Balance design. No flash with the camera, unfortunately, but I think that's just there as a backup really. And as you can see, you've got your charging connector and a micro SD expandability, which I think supports 128 gig cards, which is quite nice. Your power button and volume rocker, good place there. Not so sure about the headphone jack there though, it's a bit weird. But yeah, you know, reminds me a bit of the Lenovo S6000, which is a 10-inch tablet, in that it has the same type of back and it's very thin, like a monolithic slab. But we can get it powered on, see how it looks. Hopefully it's got some charge. Powered by Android. we're in. So just select the top one, and put the password in quite quickly. Very nice to type on. Really like tablets for maximizing the keyboard. Have we got Google? Can put that in later. Let's turn it up. And we're in. So very nice display here. And it's obviously got the Sony interface. I can see the bigger icons that you saw on the Z3 series of the mobile phone equivalents. So very nice and clear. As you can see, the colour accuracy and reproduction seems to be quite solid. Quite sensitive to the auto rotate though. See how bright it goes. Take that off. So that's it at maximum brightness. Quite bright. Don't think sunlight viewing is going to be a problem. But yeah, I'm going to spend a couple of moments getting it all set up and post up a further video just showing it in operation, and look out for that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, like it, and I will see you next time. Cheers.